Hi, welcome to Just About Any Food. Today I'm going to make some salt mackerel. So here I have my salt mackerel. Some people say pickled mackerel, some people call it barrel mackerel, whatever you call it. Also, I have onions, some bell peppers and scotch bonnet, tomatoes, black pepper, and I also have a lime that I'm going to use to wash my salt mackerel. Okay, so now I'm going to remove it from the salt mackerel from the pack and rinse it off. Then I'm going to boil it in order to remove the excess salt. So the same way that I did the saltfish, this is the same way that I'm doing the mackerel. So here I have my mackerel in the pot and I'm just going to boil it for 2 times in order to remove the salt. So I am going to have dumplings, yam, and green banana with my mackerel. So meanwhile I'm boiling my mackerel to extract the salt, I am making my dumpling. So after I boil my mackerel twice, I rinse it off with the lime and I'm now deboning my mackerel. And if you're going to give this to a child, you want to make sure to remove all the bones. So, a little fun fact, when I was growing up and my mother used to make mackerel, the center bone of the mackerel, which is this, we normally chew on it. And it just brings back memories. And if any of you can relate, you can leave it in the comment section below. So I am going to discard the head and the tail of my mackerel. Some use the head in their dish, but for me it's a no-no. So if you want to put it in your dish, you can feel free to do so. Do what you like and do what works best for you in your kitchen. So after I'm done deboning, this is what my mackerel looks like. So I'm going to set my pot on the stove with some oil. Then I'm going to add my onions and I'll get my mackerel going. There you have it. My salt mackerel is ready. So I'm going to make a plate so you can see what it looks like on a plate. And please to leave in the comment section where you're watching from, what country you're watching from. And as always, remember to like my video, leave a comment, subscribe, and cook with love always.